If you would like to fix your second monitor flickering on screen, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, come below at the software and type in Device Manager. Go ahead, update each of the drivers that you see under your display adapters. Search automatically and then close. Do the same for your others as well. Once this is done, close both of these. And now for the next step, come below at the software, type in Display. You will see change the resolution of the display. Open it. And here under Scale and Layout, make sure scale is up to recommended, that is 125% in my case. Make sure display resolution is also recommended 1920 by 1080. Lastly, under Related Settings, select Graphics. Make sure this is turned on. Go back onto Display. Select Advanced Display and make sure this is set to 60 Hz. And once this is done, go ahead, restart your device, and this shall fix the problem.